Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add AliExpress to Shopify or how to add AliExpress product to your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So open your Shopify admin panel, at the same time open AliExpress, and now open a new tab and type Chrome Web Store and search here Oberlo. Open this extension, add to your Chrome browser, and click on this puzzle icon, and from here pin the Oberlo extension. And now here you have to sign up on Oberlo website, or if you have an account then you can log in from here. I'm going to sign up. Enter your email address here and give a login password. And click on join Oberlo free. So here you can see I've successfully created Oberlo account, and now click on create or connect a store and enter here your Shopify store URL. So I'm copying my URL, pasting it here, connect my store, and click on install app. Okay, now go to your AliExpress and open that product you want to add to your Shopify. And click on add to Oberlo. Here you can see product added to import list. Now go to your Oberlo dashboard and click on import list. And here you can see the product has been added here. And to add this product to your Shopify store, click on import to store, select active and click on import as active. So here you can see the product has been added, and now click on edit product on Shopify. So here you can see the product has been added with title, description, all the medias, and the options, variants. And now I'm going to visiting my online store to show you that the product has been successfully added. So here is the product I just added to my Shopify store from AliExpress. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.